What is up, everyone? Expo Gamer here. Today we're gonna be playing Snow Party. I don't know if this is gonna be needed to download something. I haven't played it right now. Oh no. Oh. Let's start. Let's see. So we have freestyle. Okay. Let's go. This is stupid. Nope. This is so hard to control. No, just missed it. Oh my god. Wait, how do I balance that? I want to have balance. Oh. Okay. Oh. I just need to control. I have time. Oh! It's so hard to control. It's done. I'm making all this fun stuff. I don't know what to do now. I need to know how to grind. Oh! This was our first time.
I think he did it.
Let's play. I hope I'm not. Okay. It's gonna be our last one. Go. How do you go? Can I go on this wall? Oh, let's see. Oh, silent. I did with the thing. Let's see. And I just missed it. Oh. It's so hard to control it. The skateboard was much more easier. Oh, what is it? Yeah, I just got that buzzer for me. What? Is it a big bucket? Bucket. Oh. What? What's it? Oh. Here we go. Oh. I just lost so many points. Nice. Go. Oh my god. So everybody, this will be my end of the video. Okay, bye everybody. I'll see you in the next video.